What's happening, guys? A little too cold to be outside today. It's like 0 degrees right now and like negative 25 with the wind chill. So I'm just recording in here. But I got some great pictures and some updates on the turbo manifold. So I'm just gonna get right into that, and that's the video. So enjoy, guys. But first, I do want to give a couple shout outs to a couple of my buddies. Dre from Dre's Racing, just want to give a shout out to him. Big supporter, doing great things. You guys need to go check out his channel. And my buddy Devin with LOL Fit, you guys need to definitely go check out his channel. He's putting a J32 in a Honda Fit. Go check his channel. I'll give him some subscribers for both of them, and tell him Garage Built TV sent you. The links to their videos will be in the description as well. Alright guys, let's get into the video.
Day ones, no time for fake ones. Got me, I got you. All dreams, they come true. Stay down till the end. Need me, I need them. Whole team gon' make M's. No time for fake friends. Too many people be calling my phone, but I never be picking it up. Got everyone that I need in my circle. I never be going and switching it up. Rocking with the people who been following me when I never thought it would have happened, and I never got love. Now they want to piggyback on everything I got. I never knew one from the bottom, but now I've had enough. Please stay away. Find a new hobby, cause you've been too close to my personal space. Don't make me call out your names, but I'll go there and you gonna make me. Oh man, it looks so sick.
Plenty of clearance. Clears engine mount without having to be removed. Clears axle. Looks awesome. J35 turbo, baby. Wastegate pipes next.
Alright guys, nice little short and sweet video to get you updated. Hope you guys enjoyed it. The manifold's looking great. This coming week, as long as it's not too cold, Ryan's going to be welding it up, getting it all welded and looking nice. Make sure you guys also go check out RMSFab. He has his Instagram, he has a YouTube page, he has a Facebook page. All those links will be in the description. And if you guys need anything custom built for your car, he is the man to see. Tell him Garage Built TV sent you. So I'm sure you guys heard him. He'll be starting on the wastegates, and then the dump tubes probably, and then the exhaust at the back. Cannot wait for that video. Cannot wait for that update. And then we'll be starting on, you know, he'll be doing the intercooler piping probably then next, and then the cage. Yes, cannot wait. If you guys want to see more of this MR2, more of this build, Ryan just put a video out a couple nights ago with the manifold, and he did a whole video on it. I'm gonna go ahead and put that up there. But like I said before, I'll update you when I get updated. So I appreciate you guys watching. Like, subscribe, tell a friend. Thank you guys very much for the support. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.